Having completed the storage setup, let us now begin with HANA customizations. The SAP support node 2777782 available for RHEL 8 operating system is used here. As part of customization, RHEL system roles for SAP are installed. RHEL system roles for SAP are a collection of Ansible roles packaged as RHEL system roles RPM that automate standardizes the configuration of RHEL servers for SAP software. Next, a TuneD profile is installed which optimizes CPU governors to performance, adjusts sysctl for better disk network I/O, disables transparent used pages, and manages CPU energy states. Following this, SE Linux is disabled and soft and hard limits for core are updated. The system kdump service is stopped and disabled. The huge pages are also disabled. Finally, group configuration is updated to add parameters related to huge pages, processor C state, and the configuration is regenerated. We are now ready for HANA installation. The SPS7 zip package downloaded from SAP Download Center contains data units for operating system specific binaries for server and client systems, and also the HANA Studio package for easy administration. For this setup, neither the binaries nor the database is shared between the nodes. Also, the system identifier or SID and instance number are kept same on all the participating nodes. The data and log volumes created in the earlier video are used for default data and log path respectively. The installation wizard is started by executing HDB-LCM as root user. Both HANA server and client components are installed as we discuss them later in the video. Custom system usage is selected and encryption is disabled for backup and data log volumes. For other installation options, defaults are selected. Upon completion of installation, several HANA related processes are seen. HDB SQL client is used for validation of installation on both the nodes. HANA database installation and validation is now complete.